get ready with me, but in a 5-star hotel. Mascara. Oh, sorry. W. Let's wipe my face first. I'm not having anything on my face, but still. We'll start from MAC Strobe Cream. So we're gonna use it. It's a compact miniature of MAC, and I really love it. So this is my recent purchase, and I'm so happy with this. Rub a little bit on my face, and now we're gonna apply MAC Prep and Prime Primer. That is Natural Radiance Base Illuminating. इसके बहुत सारे मैंने reviews पढ़े हैं and it's amazing. So I bought this one and this is for 4,300 and we're gonna apply. This is my recent purchase from Nykaa and I'm so happy because this was from like Nykaa and for my birthday especially. So I'm gonna just have a pump because I'm not gonna use much products on my face. So that's how we applied our primer and this is it. It already gives you a base with very sparkly texture. We're gonna use our Anastasia's concealer and this is for 3,500 and this is shade is 14. Alright, so this is Magic Touch Concealer. This is gonna conceal your all blemishes. So this is our Heavenly Heels. We're gonna apply a little bit here. I do have a mark over here. Little here, little here. Very minimal touch. And here we go. I never cover this scar fully because I believe that this is something which is your identity sometimes. So I don't know, I'm okay with that. I'm not hiding my scars or I'm not trying to just feeling shame or something like that. Okay, so we concealed our face now and we're gonna apply foundation now. And yes, we have foundation from BOBBI BROWN which worth 4,900, that is 4,900 rupees. BOBBI BROWN and its shade is Warm Beach, that is W046. Okay, so we're gonna apply a little bit and this is perfectly my shade. I always give special preference to my shades and attention towards it, that I always end up with my correct tone, so I never end up returning that. I'm gonna use a one pump and here we gonna apply foundation. And nowadays I am full this BOBBI BROWN. I'm full messy. Yeah, this blends so beautifully on your face. Guys, can you just keep quiet or talk for you? And look at the finish. I just used 2 pumps and it was enough for my whole face, skin. Wow, look at the finish. I'm a person always, scared of my wrinkles because I don't have wrinkles, but whenever I apply something, it bulge out. So I'm happy with BOBBI BROWN's foundation. So it just, wind up all the lines together and I don't have any wrinkles right now. Perfect, glittery. And now we're gonna use I have this habit. Okay. And now we're gonna use Anastasia's eyebrow definer. And let me tell you, this is the best eyebrow definer I ever get. This is so tiny. This is so light on your eyebrows. Never gives you a falsy seams. So I'm just gonna apply apply it like this, very lightly. A very natural touch to your eyebrows, that you haven't used any pencils or fake, this is the best product. Now we're gonna use a blush from Tipsy, and it's a beautiful flower, and you just rub a little bit and apply. A little bit on my nose because I love it. I thought this is the best time to unbox this Nykaa haul. A very little brown shade I'm gonna do. Perfect. Because I want to give a smoky touch to my eyes. I forgot to tell you that Kajal is from the Nykaa itself. And what else I used? The palette was from Pop Exo. So we're gonna use, this is twin mascara. Now we're gonna use a MAC mascara, and which is a twin mascara. So you have 2 bottles full of mascara. So now we're gonna apply. How I apply mascara is like, first like I just draw all that on my first face, then the second face, and swerve to avoid. I do have a good lashes, so I don't need a fancy one, and I just can use my MAC and make it perfect. So now we're gonna use our favorite part of the makeup, which is lipstick, and this is from BOBBI BROWN Luxe lipstick, and which is in the shade Cranberry 606. Wow, beautiful. You don't need to apply too much because it's so smooth that it's already applying itself. Beautiful packages and so compact, and I love it. So now my makeup is all set. My birthday look is all set, you can say.
And I'm in love with this beautiful look created by me, myself. And I'm proud of all this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.